All right. So we are on our page 3. We actually are going to have 6 problems to complete for this. We're not doing any of the range, so don't worry about that. And I will be flipping between my paper and this worksheet as we complete it. So step 1 is always just going to be put your numbers in counting order. I have a 3, a 4, then 2 7s, and a 9. Right. I'll flip over here so you can see what I've got. So let me see how it's listed before I they're making us do mean first. Mean, median. And actually when you hear it, it's always said the same. Mean, median, mode, and range. Doesn't mean you have to do that in order. That's okay. I just like to make sure I have it on my paper in that order, so when I go back to fill out my form, I don't mess up. I'm going to go ahead and do mode first. Mode is the most frequent number in your set. 7. 7 is the most frequent. It's in there twice. Median is middle. Take one off the front, off the back, front, back. In the middle is 7. Okay, now I have to do the mean, and remember it's mean to do the mean because we have to do 2 steps to add them, and then we're going to divide. So, and again, it's completely okay for you to use your calculator for this if that makes you feel more confident in your answers. So here's my phone. 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9. I get the number 30. And then I have to divide it, and I'm dividing it by the number of numbers in my data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So now I can go back and put my information on my worksheet. I have 6, 7, 7. 6. And we know that you don't have to change yours, but it makes it easier for you to see. So I like to change it to that color. Okay. All right, next one is going to actually be pretty easy. I only have 3 numbers in this data set. I have 3, 3, and 15. So, mean, median, and mode. Mode is always the easiest. Which one's in there the most? It's a 3. Median, for this one, is really easy. You just take off the front and back. And again, we're left with the 3. Mean, I'm sorry to be mean. We have to add and divide. Add that up. So that is 15 plus 3 plus 3, or 15 plus 6. So if you are not confident with your adding skills, check it out, 21. And then I have to divide by the number in my data of numbers in my data set. I have 1, 2, 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, go back to my worksheet and put 733 in. Come here. No, didn't mean to underline it. Okay, awesome. Moving on to number C. So this was A, this was B. Now I'm on C. I'm going to put my numbers in counting order. 0, 0, 0, 2, 3. You can see what I've been doing. Wrong thing. There you go. And again, we have mean, median, and mode. Mode is the easiest. Mode is most. We have the most zeros. Median is middle. What's in the middle? Front, back, in the middle is a 0. Middle value. Okay, this one is going to be not too hard. I'm not going to be too mean on you for this one. I need to add those up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. So I get 5. And then I need to divide by the number of numbers in my data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divided by 5 is a 1. So my mean is a 1. That one was actually easier than it looked. Go back and put in our answers. We have 1, 0, and another 0. Okay, I have a feeling it's going to get a little more complicated with D, just looking at those numbers. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put them in counting order. 1, 2, I don't have a 3, 4, 5. I have 3 5s. 5, 5, 5. And I am finishing it with a 6. Show you my paper. Give you a chance to look at that. Again, mode usually sticks out to be the easiest problem. Let's do that first, get it out of the way. The most frequent number is a 5. Median. We're going to find out what's in the middle by cutting off the front and the back. Front, back, front, back, front, back. What's left in the middle is a 5. And now here's where it is. I am getting a little mean. I'm going to add up all those numbers in our data set. Doesn't matter where you start. I always like to start big, but you can start little. It really doesn't matter. Actually, I'll just start at this side. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6. 28. So I've added those up. I have 28, but now I need to find out what I need to divide by. I need to figure out how many numbers are in my data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 28 divided by 7. This is a math fact, but if you're not sure, you can use your calculator, and it is a 4. We will go back and put this in our worksheet. 4, 5, and 5. 4, 5, and 5. Okay, we're getting so close, guys. We are ready for E. We don't have that many numbers in our data set. It's a pretty little one. Let's put them in counting order. 1, 3, 6, 10, 10. There they are in counting order. Go ahead and make sure you have that correct. Again, we're going to start at the bottom and go up because we want it the easiest first. Mode is most. 10 is the most frequent digit or number. Median, middle. Take off the front, off the back, off the front, off the back. We're left with a 6. Now it's time for me to be mean to you and have you add those all up. Now this is actually not that hard to do in your head. So 10 plus 10 is 20. then 26. And if you have to, use touch points. 27, 28, 29, 30. Add that all up, I got 30. But in order for me to be really mean, I have to make you divide it. And you need to divide by the number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So I'm going to go put those in my worksheet. 6, 6, and 10. 6. 6, and 10. Okay. And then I ran out of space, so I have to use one more. Let's see if I have a spot on this other paper. Oh, we do. Okay. Let me use this paper right here. And we'll go for F. This is our last one. We're going to put the numbers in counting order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 9. So a lot of times if I was doing this at school, I would actually be crossing these out as I wrote them down, putting a little slash through them so I know I did not miss any. All right, so let's go to my camera so you can see. That's what I got. We have mean, median, and mode. All right, here we go. This is our last one. Starting with the easiest, mode is most. Mode is most. I see 6 in there the most. There's 2 of them. Median. Let's cut off the fronts and backs until we get to the middle. Front, back, front, back, front, back, 5. Then one more time, I have to be mean to you. I have to make you add those up. And guys, it's getting late here at my house, so I'm going to use my calculator so I do not make a mistakey. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9. I get 35. And I automatically am putting a divide sign by that. I need to then count how many numbers are in my data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 divided by 7. That is a math fact that I hope you know. And that is 5. So I'm going to go back into my worksheet and put 556 in there. 5. 5. Oops, wrong one. 6. 5, 5, and 6. Remember, you do not have to do any of the range questions. If you need any further help, please let me know and I'll set up a meet with you.